Hi, how are you all? I will show you how to make very beautiful things with popsicle stick. Watch the video till the end. These are popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks. I am making a pen holder with these popsicle sticks. It is very easy to make, isn't it? And I have colored it white. Now this is complete. Look at this. This is really nice. Now I will make another thing. This is a craft idea with bamboo sticks and bottle caps. I recycled it and I like it. Now this is complete. Oh wow, it's really nice. Now I will make another thing. I used glitter paper and popsicle stick. This is a beautiful basket. It is very easy to make. You can make it at home. Now I am attaching the sticks one by one with glue gun. And this is complete. I tried to show it step by step. I like it. It's so cute. Now I will make another thing. It's paper craft tutorial. You follow me step by step. I made a moving ladybug. I painted the wings with black color. I tried to show it step by step. Now it's complete. Now I will make another thing. It's paper craft tutorial. I used colored art paper. Red, orange and yellow. You follow me step by step. Now it's complete. This is a cute butterfly. Now I will make another thing. This is amazing craft tutorial. Here I used bamboo sticks and clay. This is one of my favorite games. The basket is ready. And I am coloring the ball. This is complete. Wow, it's really good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.